Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Sweet Buns are one of the most loved traditional treats from Goan cuisine. Soft, fluffy, lightly sweet and beautifully puffed with a delicious homemade flavor that brings back memories of old-style bakery buns enjoyed with a hot cup of tea. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Sweet Buns. These homemade buns are prepared using simple everyday ingredients which together create a soft texture, mild sweetness and a unique flavor that makes this traditional Goan recipe so special. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Sweet Buns. Step 1. Preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Make space in the center. Add half cup plus 2 tablespoons of curd. Add quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Mix it nicely with the curd. Sugar powder can be made by grinding regular sugar in a dry mixer. Now mix everything properly. To learn how to make homemade curd, refer to our recipe which is displayed on the right hand corner of your screen now, and it's also given in the description box. Knead and bring the dough together as one ball. Make a soft dough. Knead for at least 10 to 12 minutes. While kneading the dough, if the dough is too hard, then add a little more curd. We added an additional 1 tablespoon of curd. While kneading the dough, if the dough is too soft, then add little more flour. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add little oil on the surface of the dough and little oil in the bowl in which you are going to keep the dough. Our dough is ready. Cover it properly and let it rest for 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator. Step 2. Preparing the Goan Sweet Buns. The dough after it has been rested for 6 to 8 hours. Add little oil on the surface. Place the dough on a surface and knead it again for some time. Cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Then cut each part into 2. So now you have 8 equal portions. Form each dough portion into a smooth ball using the palm of your hand. Do this with all the other dough parts. Keep the dough balls covered at all times, otherwise they will become dry. Our dough balls are ready. Apply some oil on the surface on which you will be rolling the buns and also on the rolling pin. Apply some oil to the dough as well. Start rolling the dough balls. Roll them gently. They should not be too thick nor too thin. Don't use flour to roll the buns, as the flour tends to come off while frying and settles in the oil, making the oil opaque and messy. You can use your fingers like you are making a pizza and flatten the dough into a round shape. Step 3. Frying the Goan Sweet Buns. On medium heat in an open, thick-bottom pan, add sufficient cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, test the oil by inserting a thin stick and you should see bubbles coming out immediately. Or you can test the oil by inserting a small piece of dough. The dough should come to the surface of the oil quickly. Once you know the oil is hot, gently place the bun in the oil. Fry each bun until they are golden brown on both sides. Flip oil on the buns and it will start to puff up. Patting or pressing the sweet buns gently. Then flip it on the other side. Ensure that it is not over fried or burnt. Once golden brown, remove the sweet bun from the oil. Place it in a strainer or on a paper napkin. Fry all the sweet buns in the same manner.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Enjoy these Goan sweet buns hot as a breakfast or as an evening snack with a nice hot cup of tea. Delicious Goan sweet buns are ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.